This is the skill cue for standard number 7, practicing health enhancing behaviors, aka self-management. So our action phrase for this is pause, reflect, and act. Let's take a look at each of these steps. Step 1 is to pause. Now, before you respond or react, before you decide, pause. Now, once you've paused, you've created space now to reflect, which leads us to step 2. So reflect is where you are going to think. This is where you're going to dig deeper and decide what's actually going on, what's happening here. So you can ask yourself some general questions like, what's going on? What am I feeling in my body, in my head, in my heart? What's going on around me? Asking yourself, hey, do I need to take deep breaths? Do I need to step away? Do I need to slow down? What do I need to do to just create space so I can navigate this with intentionality? So you can use general questions like that, or this is where you can bring in other skill cues to consider what's going on. So you can use something like scan to consider, hey, what's influencing this right now? Or you can use wise to make a decision. Or you can use one of the interpersonal communication skill cues to help then navigate the conversation. These are all examples of how you can bring the other skills into this moment to help you manage your well-being. Now that you've paused and you've reflected, you're ready to do something that supports your well-being. This is where you can then act intentionally. So pause, reflect, and act is a great way to help us manage our well-being and to practice health-enhancing behaviors.